When I was a professor teaching astronomy, I often had students in my classroom who were wrestling over issues of science and Christian faith.
I kind of think of kids as putting their faith pieces together in a sort of a puzzle, and they think they have it all set and all fit together when they leave for college, and then I feel like someone just upsets the whole thing.
One of the most pressing issues that leads young adults to leave the Christian faith is the connection between science and faith.
I have a background in chemistry and chemical biology, and it's important in those areas just to understand what God's doing and how do I work the Bible with the science that I'm encountering.
Science and Christian faith are often seen to be at odds with each other. And to me, that's not the case. I'm a scientist and I'm a Christian. For me, they fit together.
For students, it's really important to think about evolution because they're hearing about it everywhere, and they need to know what to do with the Bible and this evolution talk that they're hearing.
We've got the next generation to think about. People who feel like they're forced to make a decision to choose either science or the Bible.
What BioLogos is doing is allowing for a conversation to be had in a civil way that I think allows young people to finally engage these questions.
So at BioLogos, we're inviting people into a conversation about science and Christian faith. And as part of that, education is very important to us. We're developing resources that can be used by teachers, by students, by homeschooling parents.
We are working on the Author of Life, which is a video-based curriculum for young adults and for high school students to talk about science and faith, and evolution in particular. Our role is really translating a lot of this information and thoughts and ideas into a package that kids can get to. Hopefully kids can see God in all areas of their life, and that their faith becomes at the center point of who they are.
I'm one of the team of authors producing a textbook for a Theories of Origins class at a college level.
Right now I'm developing a Bible study discussion guide for small groups of students to go through 5 Bible studies and say, okay, this is a bigger picture of creation than I had before.
I think what we're finding is young scientific types, students, are seeing encouragement on the part of BioLogos type research. They're seeing hope for their passions, that they can sustain a Christian faith and go with the science as the evidence leads them.
This does affect people's lives. This isn't just an academic topic. 2 of my students became Christians partly through science and faith conversations with me.
We want more of our young people to go into science, to study it, and to be encouraged and empowered, and help the rest of our church with that.